Next up to bat, the catcher, number 11, Tiffany Gillespie.
Come on, Tiffany, get her done.
That was her nickname when she was like 10.
Yeah, you don't know his nickname.
Tell me. Snookums, huh? Oh, Snookums.
I'm sorry.
I'll be sharing that with my friend.
You know, if you do a rap, that might work. Snookums.
Come on, Tiff. 7th inning.
Snookums, dog.
Those that call me Snookums, there's usually benefits that go with it.
Well, I sure
I don't want to hear it. Don't want to hear it. Come on.
Don't worry about it, Ron.
Last time, Ron,
How do I get this in here? Yeah, that ain't gonna work, is it? I gotta do it like this. Come on, ones, we need you, babe.
Come on, Money. Time to collect.
Choo, choo, choo. It's always a good thing up there. Over the fence, we get it. Winning.
Yeah.
Get out of here! Get out of here! All the way to the fence, baby. Nice little double. Woo! Way to go, ones!
Go, Kiers.
Stay aggressive out there, sis! Let her move, Kirsten. Let her move, babe.
Be patient.
Get some grass.
Next up to bat, first baseman, number 31, Kirsten Davis.
Trouble, trouble.